Hey you, what's up? This is Kazi from cleverprogrammer.com. So for the last few days, I have been at Chess State Championships coaching the Niles North High School chess team. I used to play on that chess team in 2009 to 2012, and I ended up winning 2 state championships during my high school career. But I wanted to now kind of return the favor and coach the team because that's something I absolutely love to do. I absolutely love to play chess. So this video is going to be a little bit about chess, so let's jump right into it. So to keep it relevant for you guys, I'm going to start off with one of my students asking me a computer science question that's related to high school and then transitioning over to a career. So I'm going to have him ask me that question and then I'm going to answer it, because I want to keep this relevant to you guys as well. Here we go.
My question is, I am a high school student, and in order for me to get a head start in the field of technology and computer science, I was wondering what I could do to get ahead in the field and learn the technical skills needed to get a job or an internship at a company.
How I would actually answer that question is that work on soft skills more than you actually work on technical skills. So yes, improve your technical skills, focus on them, but I want you to work really hard on your negotiation skills and your tactical skills and your interviewing skills. A lot of software developers just hope and pray that if they are good enough, good jobs will just land on them, and that doesn't happen, and that doesn't happen with standardized testing either. ACTs, how do you score well on your high school ACT, which is the standard test that you get in junior year of high school, is you start actually taking literally the test and get good at taking the test. So with getting a better job, you have to get good at actually looking for jobs and interviewing for the jobs. So that would be my answer. Work on soft skills, work a lot on negotiation skills.
All right.
Let me give you a little bit of a backstory here. The chess tournament that we had, which was going to the state chess championships, we kind of left on Thursday, like really early in the morning, like 6-7 a.m.
Hi, Niles North chess team. Hey guys, say hi.
Hello. Hello, how you doing today?
And then we got on the van, and then we drove, like I was driving the team, and then my other coach was there too, and we got in, we settled in around on Thursday.
Yes, I got a room.
That's you and Eric.
Oh yeah. 319. Hit me up.
And the tournament is a 2-day tournament. So the tournament took place on Friday, and then the tournament also took place on Saturday. So it's a 2-day tournament. There's 7 total rounds, and there were 149 teams there. So depending on how many games you won, that's how you kind of got your ranking. So in the chess tournament at the state championships level with schools, how it works is there's an 8-board team. So 8 of your people on Niles North go around playing against other 8-player teams. And if the Niles North team members win, then that makes us go to the next round with a good result. Our ultimate score at the end was 5 wins and 2 losses, which puts us as the 27th best team in the entire state, which, may be good for some teams, but for Niles North historically, we haven't done like this in the last 20 years. We have scored higher. But our team did actually a lot better than we had expected, because we have lots of new players who are inexperienced, and these guys, these students, these kids are crazy. Like, as a team, they pulled through. They were doing really well. They were kicking so many teams' asses, like out of nowhere. We were thinking that we're going to get only 3 wins or 4 wins. And I'm going to show you a little bit in the Snapchat stories with you too. The quality is not that good, but I think that you're gonna watch it and you'll enjoy it. And if you enjoyed it, just comment below like, hey, that was pretty cool. And also like the video, because I want to make sure that this video gets out to more people, because remember, the notification systems of the YouTube are completely kind of broken right now, so these videos aren't going out to everybody like they're supposed to. And when you do that, it makes sure that it gets ranked higher, and so more people are likely to see it, especially people like you who are watching this video right now, as a matter of fact. So let's do that. In the video that I'm going to share with you, you're going to be seeing me play some chess. And I'm going to be playing with some of my students. I'm going to be playing with my former coach. His name was Harry Kyriazis. And I learned a lot from them. And honestly, a lot of the skills that I've learned from chess have translated into my coding. Problem-solving skills, high levels of patience, and then being able to analyze positions. Because in chess, you have to analyze each position. And you have to calculate out moves that are kind of very deep. So I hate when people make random analogies and connect it to chess. It's so annoying for me. They'll connect anything to chess. Oh, it's just like chess. Oh, you're just making the next move. But, in certain respects, I think it's okay. And here, I think I can make that analogy because for me, chess did help me become the person I am today. Honestly, I wasn't a very good student my whole life in school, and so becoming good at chess, becoming top 1% in the world, just by playing on the high school team, and then just doing a lot on my own, studying and working hard every day, it allowed me to get skilled at something.
Pin that knight, attack it.
And then that spilled over into other things like coding and programming. So for you guys, if you are doing something else, like another sport, don't just quit it to get into programming. Keep up with other skills.
Okay, guys, I have 10 seconds. He has 5 minutes. I won't be able to commentate too much, but I'll try to play fast and try to commentate at the same time.
Because you'll be surprised how many other things from your different skill set, even if it's table tennis or pool or swimming or whatever else, will transfer over into coding.
Yeah, maybe that's because I got it.
No, you need to play
That's where I
fast.
got into.
Okay, 8 seconds to 5 minutes.
A lot of the sportsmanship I had, and a lot of this insane ability that I developed to never ever ever give up, and just if I was stuck on a chess puzzle, I would be stuck on it for weeks. I would not look at the answer. And then for me in coding, what that meant was I would be stuck on a coding problem for weeks, and I would not look at an answer and also not quit, because 99% of the people, when they can't find an answer, they quit.
Checkmate.
No, that's me!
Oh my god! Dude, really? Congratulations.
And I would just keep going and keep on learning new things. So I would recommend you have different skill sets, and you'll be surprised by how much they'll help you. Also, I want to take this moment to just quickly talk about depth versus breadth, okay, or width. Focus on being depth first in everything. In computer programming, there is an algorithm for search, and it's called depth first search, and I am a huge fan of that, and I think you should live your life like that as well. And what that means is, instead of going inch wide, for a mile, you should go a mile deep and an inch wide, okay? So instead of learning 20 different languages and learning little bit of every different language, learn one language and learn it damn well. Learn all the concepts and everything involved inside of it.
Hey, Eric, did you win against me?
But I did okay. Losing is not okay. All we care about
But guys, seriously, joking aside, I want to give a big shout out to Eric. I've been working with Eric since he was in 7th grade, and right now he's a junior in high school, which puts him at 12th grade, or 11th grade, which means I've been coaching him for 5 years. He's been able to do some tremendous things, and I was incredibly proud of him at this tournament, especially what he was able to accomplish. The next part of the story is kind of dedicated to Eric, so I really want you guys to watch this, and also just, if you can, give him a little appreciation in the comments below. I'll show him, and I'm sure it'll make his day.
Okay, guys, this is the game breaker round, the last round. And there's only one person playing on our team. If he wins, our team wins. Explanation. Eric is playing. This is the last round. If he wins, our team wins. If he draws, our team draws. And if he loses, our team loses. This is super dramatic. We are about to walk in right now.
So tournament rooms are dead quiet. So what I'm going to try to do is provide a little commentary here for you guys. So here you're watching that Eric needs to win this round. The other 7 members on our team at Niles North, some of them lost, some of them won, but ultimately it came down to Eric. In chess, you can either win by your clock hitting 0, or you lose if your clock hits 0, or you can checkmate the other person. So that's how it works in real professional chess tournaments. So Eric is kind of thinking here, and he's trying to win. He has a much better position. Also, I forgot to mention that he's playing on board 1, which is the most difficult board to play on. Board 8 is the lowest rated, and board 1 is the highest rated. And he had about 20 or 30 people crowded around him watching his game near the end. So he has a tremendous amount of pressure here. But ultimately, Eric was able to break through and win the game. Like, this was a tremendous moment for Niles North, and it was able to pull Niles North through to the next round and then play in the final round. So ultimately, our team ended up doing well. Everybody played well together. I was extremely proud of everybody. And here are just some goofs and gaps for you guys to enjoy, because we are just celebrating how we ended up doing. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. When there was a lot of pressure, how did you deal with it?
Bro, like, okay, who actually likes him? Who actually
Still don't know how to react.
What?
Yeah. What feature does Android have that iPhone doesn't? Give us an example. That's right. That's right.
For a sport or for another hobby that you have, get really good at one thing and then move on to different things. Like, become really deeply skilled, because nobody cares about just these generalists. Like, people want to work with specialists. So I would highly recommend becoming a specialist and kind of everything that you get yourself into, like, really get a deep knowledge of it, and then you can take a step back and then try to develop some soft skills around it. For me, what that meant was getting programming skills and then working on my negotiation and soft skills. Thank you guys for watching so much. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead, check out some of my other videos that should be popping up somewhere soon. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching the channel, all your support. We're up to 17,000 subscribers, which is just absolutely amazing. I don't know how else to say it. And can't wait to get to 20,000. I might have a special video for you guys in that case. Okay, guys, thank you. Love you. I'll see you in the next